What's up, my juice lovers? I am in Buffalo for our annual meeting at Goodnature. It is freezing here, but I wanted to show you our new building. So we recently moved into a new space.
Yes, hello. Oh, hey. Hey, wow, surprise, you're here.
Can you give us an office tour?
I'm literally doing nothing right now, let's go. Yeah, so this was Larkin Soap Company, and it actually was a bunch of buildings kind of connected in this network. And they've got really cool old photos on the walls of, you know, the old vats and the boiler rooms, but now it's been converted to some manufacturing and a lot of offices. There's some law firms here. Come on in. All right, this is our main entry area. Also, our kind of break or lounge area. And that brings us right to our print lab. So as we're prototyping and designing, we 3D print a lot of our stuff and design a bunch of new parts. And then before we leave for the day, we get all our printers running. And then when we come in, sometimes the next day, we put all the new parts together. We can test out an idea. You know, within 24 hours of sketching it out, we're actually putting hands on it. Cool thing about these, we just got these magnetos, is the designers can actually start them from home, come up with an idea, you know, at 11 o'clock at night, they can get a printer going, and then when we come in the morning, we actually put hands on it. It's really cool. Here's our prototype assembly area. So we, you know, we have our actual warehouse and assembly shop. This is where the engineers put prototype parts together. Just a little mini workshop. Some old pictures of Dad.
This first juice press.
This is a cool neighborhood because it's one of the oldest manufacturing areas in Buffalo, which is a big manufacturing town. And this is called the hydraulic because before electricity, it was all powered by water, which is really cool. Every year we highlight an employee that we think has gone just real above and beyond each year, and we talk about it in our annual meeting. And now we're leaving the office side, entering the production side of the building. All right, here's the Hummingbird pilot room. Tom? So we've sent all the production Hummingbird stuff we've sent over to our actual assembly shop. So what's left is just the old prototypes and like stuff that we replaced with newer versions. Here, yeah, there we go. Man.
Let's see where we started.
Cool. Maybe coincidence, maybe not. Tom had blown his shoulder out when we were making these because each one of these little teeth, you have to go. He ground this special cutting tool. So this is something that I keep trying to throw away, but they will not let me throw away because it does useful stuff every like 3 years. A mill, what does a mill do? It's like a super fancy drill press. Yeah, this is where we'll give her a little annual talk. Really nice.
Free juice. Is that what it is?
Here is carrot, apple, orange, lemon, and ginger. And then number 5 is grapefruit, orange, pineapple, and apple.
Welcome, everybody, to our annual